What is the LCM of 18 and 9? Answer is 18. Minus 21 minus 8 equals? Answer is minus 13. Is 26 prime or composite? Answer is composite. 8 times minus 1 equals? Answer is minus 8. 1 times 2 equals? Answer is 2. 12 plus minus 8 equals? Answer is 4. What is the GCF of 24 and 24? Answer is 24. 100 divided by minus 10 equals? Answer is minus 10. Square root 225 equals? Answer is 15. What is the GCF of 46 and 34? Answer is 2. What is the LCM of 10 and 9? Answer is 90. Minus 32 divided by minus 4 equals? Answer is 8. Minus 25 plus minus 13 equals? Answer is minus 38. 2 superscript 3 equals? Answer is 8. 27 minus 5 equals? Answer is 22. Is 99 prime or composite? Answer is composite. 16 superscript 2 equals? Answer is 256. What is the LCM of 14 and 10? Answer is 70. What is the LCM of 13 and 18? Answer is 234. Minus 9 minus 17 equals? Answer is 8.